Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about clarity beats speed. Speed looks powerful. Clarity lasts longer. Many people rush. They speak fast. They move fast. They think slow. Clarity is not about speed. Clarity is about direction. Fast action without clarity creates noise. Slow action with clarity creates progress. When the mind is clear, even small steps work. If you are young, slow down your thinking. Ask better questions. Choose one direction. Remove confusion first. One clear decision saves years of correction. Do not rush. See clearly. Clarity beats speed. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.